After joining ICB, Aliza has become more confident and independent. She comes home happy, excited to learn every day. At ICB, I think the teachers go above and beyond. They find the child's strength, but also focus on the areas where they are struggling. They have helped her become a better Muslim. Academically, she's growing well, but also she's learning Quran and very confident in that as well. Well, I think at ICB, it's the balance between the academic excellence and the moral values. ICB prepares children not only for their academic career, but also helps them become a better Muslim. Yes, absolutely. ICB looks after the kids' well-being, and the teachers are really focused on how the child is doing overall rather than just in the academics. So if a child is struggling, it is looked into and is communicated to the parents, and there is a good parent-teacher communication through the apps, through interviews, so we can chat about how the child is going overall.
I like ICB because I can enjoy with my friends and my teachers are nice and kind.